you guys miss me? Did you miss me? I missed you, so I'm back. I'm back on YouTube, and to kick off being back on YouTube, I thought I would ease in with a weekend vlog video. I have a lot planned that I want to take you along with me for. I just got to a listing, so I will be doing an open house here today. I need to run around, crack all the closet doors, open up the blinds, turn all the lights on, zhuzh the pillows. Let's go do that, and then I'll sit down and kind of catch you up on life quickly before this open house starts. So here's the dining room. This is where you see to the right once you walk in through the front door. Here we have the kitchen. And here are the stairs leading up to the second floor. So let's turn these lights on. Does that work? I don't know, nothing happened. Okay, now we have the living room. I love the fireplace, big open. So this is probably outdoor lights, but we'll turn them on to make sure they work. There's gotta be more outlets. Oh, there we go. Nice little office area. I feel like everyone has these in their home since COVID. So here we have a half bath. No fan. No fan. Jonathan said I looked like a bride or a real estate angel. I'm gonna go with a real estate angel. So just went with a basic white dress. I think this is from Old Navy. It's a great work dress. I also have it in black, keeping it cute, professional, and conservative. Okay, this is their mud room. And, well, I guess laundry room too. So, back door. Basement. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, give me a minute. We will come back to this. Now we are upstairs. Very cute. So let's start in the full bath. So this, oh, light switches. No fan. So this property has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, but technically I think it's going to be 2.5 baths because that was not a full bathroom downstairs. Let's come over here. Oh, we have a nice bedroom. Cute, cute, cute guest room. And obviously people will know that's a closet. I don't need to crack that open. Gates everywhere. So kids and dogs is what I'm assuming. Okay, this is probably the master bedroom. So they already have their closet open, which is great. Okay. Oh, I love this mirror. Okay, so here is the 3rd bathroom. Obviously a full bath. There is a shower. And it looks like there are 2 closets. Ooh, walk-in closet. Oh, and a nursery. So cute. I have about 10 minutes to play catch up, so rapid fire. I took a long break from YouTube. I think it's been like 6 to 5 months. Back in January was probably the roughest point of my life. I filled you guys in on what was going on, and beyond that, there was a lot more that I'm just never going to publicly talk about. It was rough. So a lot has changed in the last 6 months. I took this summer off, a break from IVF. It had been over a year. So my last update is I went in for a hysteroscopy, and they gave me a D&C that they didn't even tell me they did. I found out, whatever, we don't even need to get into it. It's just been a shit show. So I decided to mentally take a break from IVF and just enjoy this summer. My sister is getting married next weekend. So a lot is going on, and I just didn't want to have to worry about injections and blood work and God, everything that comes with it, and the heartbreak, honestly, and the loneliness. So taking a break from IVF this summer, I started a new job. I left the industry of insurance. So I'm still a part-time realtor. I'm no longer in the insurance industry. It was 10 years and I was just done. So I'm now in packaging sales, and my next video will be a vlog of my work week. So we're gonna get into it. I'm really, really excited to show you what I do day to day and what we create at the company I work at now. What else is going on? Oh, yesterday we found out Callie is cancer-free. So my last update with you guys was that she has thyroid cancer, which is very rare in dogs. It's like 3% of dogs get it. So the tumor that my brother-in-law removed is really good because there's no trace of it. She had scans done on her neck and her chest yesterday, and her vet cleared her. So she still only has 3-year life expectancy. So 6-month scans is all we can really do for her. We're not going to put her through chemo or anything like that. That's kind of what's going on. I'm sure there's so much more I'll be able to update you guys on as I go through this vlog, but let's just bang out this open house. Okay, we are home now. Open house was not successful. There were 2 families that came through. Well, 1 family, 1 couple that came through. The family did not have a realtor, so fingers crossed when I follow up with them tomorrow evening, they want to move forward and work with me. So for the rest of the day, we are about to get ready and then head up to Boston. My friends are having a final hoorah at their very nice apartment before they all go their separate ways and buy homes and start families and get married. We are going to get dressed and then meet up with my sister and my future brother-in-law and go party. So let's go through the outfit choices. I have so many options laid out because we are also going to P-Town this weekend, so I'm kind of packing at the same time. But my plan is to wear this brand new set that I just rented from FashionPass. So Mink Pink designed it, brand new. This is the first time anyone's going to wear it, and I get to be the lucky one. So it is a very cute crop top and then a maxi skirt, and I'm going to dress it down with just some brown sandals. So this is going to be the outfit for the house party. I also just got these 2 dresses in from Amazon. This is a really nice, thick, stretchy knit. You've probably seen it. It's definitely gone viral. And this is supposed to be a Skims dupe, but I already have an issue with it because the lining ends here and it's a maxi dress. But let's try them on real quick. Warning, my room is a disaster. First dress is very cute, snatches me in, but it's not too tight where I'm not comfortable. So I think this is a little too much for a house party, and it needs to be steamed, but I'll probably pack this for Provincetown this weekend, whether it's a day outfit or a night, I don't know yet. So here's the back. It has that little slit, but looks pretty cute. So let's try on the pink dress. I actually ordered a hot pink dress and they gave me the light pink. It's okay. I like the light pink color, but I absolutely hate that you can see the lining. It's not for me at all. It just shows too much. You don't need to see every line and curve of my body. So this is going to be donated to my sister. Maybe she'll like it and it'll be more flattering on her. Okay, here is the final outfit. So just curled my hair. This is the top. I still need to cut the tags off, and then the maxi skirt, and I'll throw my sandals on before I leave. Now it's a party. Hi, Pepe. Oh, a puppy party.
Is this for the vlog?
Yep, for the vlog. Double date in North End. Babe.
Peak pocket.
Skirt. We just gassed up and stopped for snacks. These are his surprises.
Oh, I didn't want donuts.
The
You got me
donuts,
candy, right?
donuts are mine, and this is mine. This is what I got you.
Okay, thanks.
Is it okay?
Yes,
We went to lunch at Patio American Grill. Oh, we went to go to the Beachcomber. Stop. If you don't want to be in it, don't stare at me. So we tried going to the Beachcomber. The lot was already full, so we would have had to park and walk a bunch of hills, and that wasn't happening. So we went straight to Provincetown, had lunch at Patio American Bar and Grill. It was really good. Walked around, came back to the room. And now we are just gonna go bar hop.
Guess so.
We're gonna go figure it out. So this is what I'm wearing. We'll check in. We just found Callie and Peter. They all look like her.
Not really. That one does.
What? That one?
Those two do.
That one looks like Callie. What's going on? Oh my God, you were trying! I tried all the time! I just realized I don't think I vlogged at all today. So it's Monday. We are in Dartmouth. We left Provincetown this morning. We went for breakfast, got a coffee, walked around a little bit, packed up the room, and took off. We didn't really want to get stuck in traffic. Khaleesi, Mama. I know, where did Daddy go? Where did he go? So we got home early, picked her up, and now we are picking up lobster rolls and heading to my mom's pool to enjoy the rest of our day off. It's like 2 o'clock right now. So yeah, we went from Boston to Provincetown to Dartmouth. So I think it was a fun New England weekend, and now we're just gonna eat lobster rolls by the pool and hang out until it's time to go home. Khaleesi! Hi, Mama! We having a pool day? Hi, baby! Oh! Look, she's gonna try and block you. She doesn't want anyone in.
I'm going in.
She's freaking out.
I'm going.
It's okay, Mama.
Yo, move.
Oh no! Oh
Daddy, help Daddy. Come
no!
on.
She
come
hates it.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
He's okay.
Come on.